I got a call about a little water issue, but as you can tell, I mean, there's a pipe here. It's kind of draining. I'd actually talked to this lady last year in this house, and let's see if we can walk over here. All of this right here is standing in water, and her entire backyard is standing in water. And now 3 houses down, there's water standing, and then all this. There's an out-of-state builder that came in several years back and was doing a bunch of road work, and they widened some roads and did some things. Well, I don't know if they talked to the city or somehow, but he started filling this area up. And they didn't used to have a problem back here, I guess. Like probably, well, when did it? I think it just started about a year ago is when it got worse. And I can't remember. I know there was always been a ditch over here. And I thought that this was lower and then drained off to the ditch up front and went around. Well, anyway, they've built this up like, I don't know, 6 or 7 feet inside there. So now it's forced all this water back, and they've left this low spot here. And then it basically just invades everybody's yard. So I guess after all these neighbors got together and talked and argued with the city for a year, they came and put in this 24 or 20-inch pipe or whatever out to here. Which you can kind of see. I mean, they got some water issues all around, but so this is what they got. And they got this little duckbill thing, I guess, so nothing goes back up in there. All I'm going to try to do for today is go in her yard. There is actually a pipe in the front of her yard that drains out to that ditch. I'm going to try to just dig from there back to where that water's standing, see if we can't get that to drain out, and then go down there where that's at and just kind of cut a little ditch coming this way. Because I think a lot of it's low here, but it's not getting to over there. Because it's been draining off. I guess they put this in a couple months ago, but in 19 we had like a record rainfall year. I think we had 5.5 feet of rain. But now the problem is you walk out in these yards, and even in the front, there's so much groundwater, it's just saturated the ground, and it just keeps working its way back up the hill. So it's going to take it forever to finally drain off. Yeah, I could think of to do is just kind of track out there and try to get them a ditch opened up and try to get some of that surface water and everything to drain this way, and hopefully it'll eventually drain out. Same thing with her yard, let it dry up, and then come back in a couple months and see if I can't kind of clean it up and regrade it. So yeah, we'll see how this even works, because like I said, I came over here last April and looked at this, and all of this whole area was probably a foot or 18 inches of just standing water. So I mean, this pipe is working, but it's been draining off like this for months. So, which I'm sure it's holding water up there, and then all the water collects. It really needs to have a better ditch cut, and all of it back down through here and then over here to the, I mean, kind of the same thing with this ditch here. This was it on the city. They got a 24-inch or 20-inch pipe put in here. I'll probably track over there and see if I can open that spot up in her yard first, because there's a double gate right through there. But I'm going to probably tear that yard up pretty bad, but I thought maybe it'd be better to come off this way and then come through the front yard and do that, and then I'll clean it out, track back over here, and then track down there, and then just start at that big pond between those 2 houses and try to just skim off what I can and see if I can get it to drain down this way. Let's see how this goes. This should be interesting. There may not be a whole lot of different camera angles because you can't really walk around out there. So let's see what we can get done. scraping every bit of this grass off, kind of, I don't know, almost like dredging a pond, I guess. I mean, it's draining off at a pretty good rate. I'm almost at this big part up here, but you can see it's actually got moss growing on it right here, and it's starting to, just got the bottom of their sedges, so it's killing these trees. It's just drowning them. So I almost made us need to sit in there and just rake every bit of this grass, because it'll be easier for it to dry without it on there. The only thing I can think of to logically do is I'm going to try to just skim this grass off. I think it'll dry out better if I can get it down to bare dirt. I'm just going to try. I mean, some of it's still on the edge of this, that's fine, but I mean, it's draining off good, but this Bermuda grass is so tall and it's holding so much of this moisture. I think if I can get it skimmed off to the dirt and then just continue digging my ditch down through there, because I mean, it'll eventually drain, but I think if we can get some sun and some wind on this bare dirt instead of this grass holding it, yeah, I think, because I'm still making my way to the big part, but yeah. Don't want to throw that up. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. We're going to redo the yard anyway, but I'd rather just put it on the edge of what's already going to be tore up instead of tearing up. Look at all the water that just comes out of the grass. Even down all the way in the grass yet. Well, we do have good flow, so it slowed down a little bit. I could probably keep working at it and try to pull just a little bit more of that grass, but then I got to dig that down deeper than dig that. So I think for today on this one, we'll just let this drain off for a little while. I'll probably come out here and try to get some of that grass pulled off. And then I really needed, what I may work on doing is actually going up there and trying to dig some of that over to that pipe, and maybe that'll help to allow groundwater and surface water here to keep draining off. But it's flowing pretty good. There may be one spot out there with some grass that I can scrape down just a touch more, but this is a good start for that. And I'll do that a little bit out there, and then we'll call it a day. But what a mess.